Hello everybody, it's me Abdul Salam in front of you. Hope that all are fit and fine. I am also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. So dear lovely friends, in this moment I would like to say something about in my village and in our village. So right now I am going to market because my shop actually open. This is the evening time, so that's why I am going to my computer shop and open my shop. And right now I am walking on the road. So, dear friends, it's a paddy field and so natural, beautiful place. And I right now I am walking on the road. So
Hello guys.
it's a Toto. It's called Toto and e-rickshaw, I think. So right now it's a small path and e-rickshaw and Toto always up and down, and so many peoples go to market and up and down. So it's a very busy place. I think it's a village, small actually. Uh, so this is the road actually. So this is my one friend. He uh, riding on bicycle. He is also going to market. So dear friends, today I cannot making any blog video. So right now I am making on blogging videos. So today I not ready for making blogging video. It's a public, actually it's a public place. I cannot making any blog video for public place, so that's why today I am making blog video. It's so many boys, there are so many boys. He also playing carom game. So my actually I so many waterfall in my eye. So look at me. So thank you